Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we got some nice freebies for you, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video, and today we got a couple of freebies for you all to check out, and this one here is nice. This one is called Lumin Wildfire. Now this developer made some awesome watch faces. You need to check this lineup out. Now this one here is going to look the same in the always on mode, but when it's on, listen, it lights up really nice. You got a blue and an orange look. I like the inscription that's going on in the background, and it's eco-friendly, which means that it's going to help conserve your battery life. And at the same time, it is definitely a great looking watch face, especially considering that it's free. No, there's no interactiveness to it. There's no step counts, but it still looks good. Check this out in the Gear Manager store. This one is definitely worth the download. This one is called Hue Watch V01. This one is nice. In the always on mode, you're going to get that traditional analog watch face look. But when the watch face is on, I like it. It's simple. It gives you information on your steps, and it is an analog watch. You get your 24-hour digital time down at the bottom, so you get the best of both worlds. You get the date also. So this is a good look, especially considering that it's free. Now this watch face do give you some interactiveness to it. It's only a couple of shortcuts that it allow you to tap into, and if you tap into it right, it allow you to go in and get your heart rate, and it'll do the same thing for your water intake, and that's it. But you can also, as you've seen, customize the color, which isn't bad at all. Let's go through it again. Customize the color. Not bad. Not bad for a free watch face. What do you think? All right, you all, check this out in the Gear Manager store. I think it's worth the download. We all love free, right? All right, you all, that's going to be it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.